In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove signature from Outlook email. If Outlook keeps adding a signature you don't want, this walkthrough will show you how to turn it off in the web version. So new messages, replies, and forwards stay clean unless you add something manually. We'll start right from a fresh browser window for clarity. Open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Outlook and press Enter. In the results, click the official Microsoft Outlook website to open your mailbox in the browser. Once Outlook loads, look to the top right corner and click the gear icon. That opens the Settings panel, where we can adjust how your emails are composed. Inside Settings, select Account. From there, choose Signatures. This is the page where Outlook decides which signature, if any, gets added automatically to your messages. You'll see two important drop-downs here, one for new messages and one for replies and forwards. First, find the option labeled Default for New Messages. Click the drop-down and select No Signature. This tells Outlook not to attach any signature automatically when you start a brand new email. If you previously had a default signature set, this change replaces it with none. Next, look for Default for replies and forwards. Click that drop-down and choose No Signature as well. Replies and forwards often inherit signatures by default, so setting this to No Signature ensures those follow-up emails won't include anything extra unless you add it yourself. After you've chosen No Signature for both of those settings, make sure to click Save. This is important. Your choices won't apply until you save. Once saved, Outlook will stop inserting signatures automatically for both new emails and for replies or forwarded messages. A few quick notes to help you out. The names and layout and settings can look slightly different depending on updates, but the key items to look for are Account, Signatures, Default for New Messages, and Default for Replies and Forwards. Selecting No Signature in each drop-down is what turns the automatic signature off. Also, this change doesn't prevent you from adding a signature manually when composing. It simply stops Outlook from adding one on its own. That way, you stay in control and only include a signature when it makes sense. And that's it. You've removed your automatic signature in Outlook on the web by opening Settings, going to Account, selecting Signatures, choosing No Signature for both defaults, and saving. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps keep your emails streamlined and intentional.